Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do some tone comparisons between my Fender Tom DeLonge and my Squier Tom DeLonge. If you guys see my last video, I picked this up at Music Around for 125 bucks, the Squier version obviously. And I've had my Daphne Blue Fender Tom DeLonge for a couple years now, I think, something like that. Obviously you guys can see my previous videos of when I had this one, and I used to have the green one, which I sold. But yeah, right now I only have this Daphne Blue. I have this all black one, that's a Squier one, and I also have my mod project Tom DeLonge Squier, which I replaced basically everything on it besides the body, so obviously that doesn't count really. But yeah, check out these sound clips and let me know which pickup do you prefer. Honestly, I don't think the Duncan designed detonator is as bad as people make it out to be. It's not a great pickup. Obviously, it's a cheaper wiring, cheaper pickup. But I think it does the job for such a cheap guitar. Obviously, if you can upgrade to the Duncan Invader, it's a much better pickup. It has a higher output. In these clips that are about to play, I had to turn up the input on the Duncan detonator. But besides that, the settings are basically the same. So check out these clips and let me know what you think. So yeah, thanks for checking out this video. If you're not already subscribed, make sure to subscribe and like this video. Let me know what type of content would you like to see in the comments if you guys want to see more comparisons like this or playthroughs. I'll also try and put out more videos when I buy and sell guitars, let you know what I bought them for and what I sold them for, and just what type of guitars I look for and how I find these deals on these guitars. So yeah, thanks for checking out this video again, and make sure to come back to the next video. Thank you.